Hey, howdy, hey. I'm Bailey, and I'm going to try to walk you through fixing our dishwasher. This is a Bosch dishwasher that we got a few years ago, and it's had this problem with not running, like stopping midway through. Most of what I could find online about this is a sensor at the bottom that detects if water is leaking down the seals at the side. But that's not the case for us because what we do is we put a chair in front of our dishwasher. We push it up against the dishwasher and that keeps it closed because there's a switch at the top of the door. So that's what we do. And whenever it pushes up against that switch is able to become depressed, and that allows the dishwasher to run. So as long as there's pressure against the dishwasher the whole cycle, it won't stop running. Based on that, that's how I was trying to find a solution on keeping the dishwasher closed the whole time. You can see whenever that sensor is depressed, then it works well. Here you can see the sensor on the dishwasher. So that's the piece that's depressed whenever it's closed all the way. And the chair works kind of well, but it's not great. As I've learned over a lot of projects around the house, it's not all about functionality. It needs to look good enough to not be criticized. And the first idea I had was to put something on the corner of the dishwasher that could be concealed underneath the countertop. That would allow the other corner to kind of come out, or you could put two of them, but that's inconvenient. So what I wanted to do is put this bracket in the center under the dishwasher with a nut on the end of it. Then I could have a bolt with a cam that could be turned to press the dishwasher closed. So whenever I'd turn this cam, it actually ended up turning the other way, but whenever I turned this cam, it would push the dishwasher closed. I'll be making this cam out of wood, and the first idea I had to do this is to have two focuses and then something like a string, a band in this case, and draw an ellipse around those two focuses. That shape would mean I could put the pivot directly in the center, and whenever I turn it, it would keep the dishwasher closed. The next idea I had was to make some sort of egg shape. I'd cut it out of wood with the jigsaw. It would start in a vertical position like this. Kind of looks like an avocado. And then you'd turn it and it would push up against the dishwasher, depressing that sensor so the dishwasher can start. But then I thought, well, what would probably be the easiest is just to make some sort of circle. Just cut out a circular shape. That's pretty easy to get nice. And then offset the pivot a little bit. Like you can see here, maybe a quarter of an inch. And then whenever you turn the cam, it'll move that distance over to press the dishwasher closed. So that's what I'm going to go with. Ran into a problem. So this bolt that was supposed to be able to go under here and come out for the cam is not going to fit. New plan. Instead of a nut and bolt, I'll have a pin. You can see this is the right side view, and then still the bracket with the screw going up into the countertop. Here you can see from the front view, that pin will go through that offset center of the cam. Let's build this thing. Feel free to judge my measuring skills all you want. I just wanted to get this done. The angle grinder is pretty loud, so you just get to listen to this microphone. You have no idea how happy I am to get this thing finally working. It took so long to get the microphone working. So I made the first bracket too narrow, and now the cam isn't going to fit in between if I cut it. So I'm going to have to remake that part. We got a hole through the middle. This is just a temporary pin. And it fits. It rotates that much. I've been playing around with this and it's a lot of fun to listen to. Listen to this. Isn't that cool? I just attached the bracket and I have the cam and a temporary pin. So now it's time for a test. Okay, so the way it works is you open up the dishwasher, fold out the bracket, you put it on whatever cycle you want, start it, and then close it, and put this pin in right here. So there's the hole. I had to make another one because I put it in the wrong spot. Put it over here. Put the pin through, and it's loose right now, but whenever you turn it, it pushes the dishwasher closed. It works. And it doesn't even need a weight or a spring, so that's really exciting. The pin is finished. In that last clip, you couldn't see very well how much this cam pushes the dishwasher. So it's loose right now. There we go. So now I'll turn it. So it moved probably about 1/16 of an inch, which isn't a ton, but it is quite a bit for this. It's enough to make it work. So the dishwasher cam actually worked. Most of my projects don't go that well the first time. Well, I did have to make 3 brackets for the cam, but it worked pretty well. And if you ever have this problem, then maybe you can fix your dishwasher using a cam. If you have any comments, that would be really appreciated because I don't make videos. This is my first one and I'd like to improve. And thank you for watching.